Marguerite Brigham, the other side of the new moon, walking along the golden path and walking my talk by being out in nature. Even though I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm very tired. Today is gonna be day 7 of the 30-day cosmic love. And you know, after I do the cosmic love on portals and stuff, I usually really need time to integrate and be. So I think I'm going to go the other way. Go back. Retracing steps. So I just wanted to share with you and with myself how much nature really helps us hold this love vibration. If you ever watched or read the book The Celestine Prophecy, and it talks about all the ways that we take energy from people, and it's actually nature that will fill us up instead of taking energy from people. Get filled up from nature. So that's what I'm doing. And yesterday was really interesting, being September 9th and doing the Cosmic Love Breath as a challenge in September of 2009 on the day of 999. And then yesterday being September 9th again, Grandparents' Day, and my granddaughter who's 9, and I got to read from the first book I wrote, with her being born 9 days early to get into the last edition before it got signed off. And I got to share with her that we're not just our physical bodies. And when we were in spirit form, she did come to communicate with me and actually send me love. So it was a milestone, and I guess my message is, yeah, there's times that we're called to action, called to rise, and I feel like I'm, having to suit up right now, even though I'm battle weary. I'm gonna do my best to keep showing up every day. And mine right now is to be on Facebook and put the videos on YouTube. Other people may be called for other platforms. But this is where I'm called, for the Rainbow Warriors. Bring in the heart chakra. Okay, so big love.